Action!
Action! Oh. Back to action.
What?
Okay.
Action!
Oh, starting yet?
Yes, that's what action means. It means to take action.
1, 2, 3, go.
Can't do it.
Cut.
I'll do it if you can't do it.
To be or not to be? Oh, hey, sorry. That was wrong speech.
Just go again.
I got it.
Okay. And action.
I have a dream.
No!
No,
You are Patrick Henry. You are in the wrong time period.
Wrong answer.
That's not fair.
You get it? You know what we're talking about, right? Wrong answer.
Is he black?
No, he's a white man from Virginia.
You got this?
I'm not from Virginia.
Okay.
No, but your character is from Virginia and his name is Patrick Henry and he is delivering a speech to get people to fight in the Revolutionary War against
Okay,
Britain.
So you know what I'm talking about. You got it right? Got it? You got it?
Yes, I know.
Okay.
I know.
Okay. Last one,
I
ready?
know this.
All right.
Take 7.
Take 7.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's been about 7 takes now. Get under your
Oh.
podium. And action. Give the speech.
Oh. When?
Now.
Now.
You sure?
Positive. Cut.
Take a drink. Come on, take a breather. Let's go. Let's hurry up. Ready? One more time. Last one. Let's go. We got this.
Make it a good one. And action.
4 score and 7 years ago.
Should we just let him, go and then edit in something else? I mean, this clearly is not working.
This is
You know what?
clearly.
You've been. How can you remember 3 different speeches? All you have to remember is give me liberty or give me death.
It's okay. We'll do a stand up. Watch. Just take a breather. Get it done. Look, Carl has some sandwiches.
Sandwiches.
Yeah, okay. Enjoy.
You have to better give me liberty or give me death. See, was it that hard? Yeah, I quit.
Okay. Are you ready?
See, you freak slave.
No, you don't need the microphones. You are already mic'd. And besides that, they didn't have microphones in that time period. Please put the microphones down.
You're the reason people
No.
commit suicide.
What?
You're the reason people commit
Where
suicide.
are your pants?
Okay. Take 57. Let's go.
Sorry.
Without the microphones. Thank you. Without a tambourine.
This is not fair.
I can see your butt. Put it down. That's right, you giraffe pants. That's better, thank you. Put your head down now. All right, are you ready to give the speech, Patrick Henry, about giving you liberty or death?
Who's that? Oh yeah.
Your speech that you're supposed to be doing. Okay, all right. No, you're supposed to be under there. Under the podium, that's right.
I'm hiding.
Okay. And action.
We have a wild animal on the scene.
I'm hiding.
That's okay. No one will notice, maybe. Okay, let's go, please. We have 4 minutes of record time and no minutes of good time.
Give me liberty or give me death.
Cut. Okay, that one was good. Now, if we can get the giraffe off the set.
They
it'd be-
noticeable?
They couldn't see me. I was
Is it noticeable? Replay it. I want to see it.
They couldn't see me.
We'll see it when we are editing, okay?
They couldn't see me. It's okay.
I can see you. It's recorded onto the camera.
Okay, look. Okay, I really can't see me. I'm kidding. Okay,
They really can see you. Your butt's sticking out.
No, it's not. It's my hand goes down.
No, it's your butt. I can see the pants, or what little pants that you have on.
My head.
Yes, I understand, but when you put your head down, your butt sticks out.
No, it doesn't. My butt's down here.
Okay, just stick your head down. It's good now. No one can see you. Okay. Take the skirt off, Henry.
Wait, I have to go to the other side of the stage. I'll sneak. See, look, I can't see.
Okay. You're right, I can't see you at all. Are you moving? I can't see you.
I am.
Oh, okay. I can hear your voice now. I can hear that it moved. Okay. All right, that's very good. I can't see you. All right, try not to damage anything. Can we please have Patrick Henry back on the set to do his speech? Yes. Are you like having a powwow in the aisle? Is that what you're doing? He's not an Iraqi!
I'm Muslim. I'm from Iran.
No, you are from England. You live in the colony of Virginia. Your name is Patrick Henry.
Virginia is in America, not...
Exactly, we are in America, okay? Can we please have quiet on the set? That means no piano, if that's okay with you.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Okay, can you please accompany your foreign exchange student? Without the piano! No, it doesn't matter. He's giving a speech. This is not a concert, okay?
It could be.
But it's not. It's a speech.
You know what? Just what you are.
You get a whole scene to yourself later, okay? Please don't fall.
You can't see me.
That was very graceful. That was beautiful. If I could have seen you, I would have been amazed.
I know.
Okay. Are you ready
For what?
to beg for liberty or death? Are you ready for that? Your Dr. Pepper's right there. You can take a drink. Julius, will you sub in for him, please? He seems rather incompetent. No, come on, seriously, please. Just, go give the speech. I'm not filming you.